This is my preserved green figs recipe, and it's a great way to use up those figs that never quite ripen at the end of the season. So all you need to do is pick yourself some underripe green figs and give them a really good wash and make sure all that milky sap is rinsed away. Pop them into a pan, add double the amount of cold water to figs, bring them to the boil and strain them off. It's called blanching and refreshing, and you're going to do this 3 times and it draws all the bitterness out of the figs and tenderises them as well. After the third boil, pop the figs back into the pan, add the sugar, water, and I add about 3 or 4 fig leaves because I think it adds great flavour, but it also acts as a natural cartouche or lid. Then you're going to bring the figs up to the boil and boil them for 15 minutes and then leave them to cool overnight in the syrup. And this is key because the figs will soak up all of that syrup and become saturated, and it'll help to preserve them. Then load them up into a sterilised Kilner jar the next morning, but make sure you boil the figs back up so they're hot when they go in the jar. Cover them with the syrup, clamp the lid down, and this will last at room temperature for about 6 weeks, or you can put them in the fridge for up to 6 months.